Hey friends, Katie Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great weekend. Today I am sharing a family favorite for Slow Cooker Sunday, and that is hash brown casserole. All right, let's go ahead and talk about what you're gonna need for this super simple recipe. Down below in the description box, I will have the blog post, which will have all of this written out for you, but let's go ahead and go through them really quickly for the purposes of this video. The main thing that you're gonna need, kind of the main star of the show, is a bag of hash brown potatoes. You're gonna want the ones that are diced up, not shredded up or anything like that. You're gonna want kind of some substance to your potatoes. So I usually just do these Southern style potatoes. I have also done a Southwest mix, which has onions and peppers in it, but you can just do plain, whatever you have on hand will be fine. Then you're gonna need 1 onion diced up, a pound to a pound and a half of whatever ground beef you want. I'm using lean ground beef today. You can use ground turkey, whatever you have. I kind of alternate between beef and turkey. A little bit of milk. You're also gonna need salt and pepper, some cream of chicken soup, and then you're gonna need about 2 cups of cheddar cheese. I like to use cheddar. It kind of has the best flavor for this recipe. I have a block here of white cheddar cheese as well as this Sargento sharp cheddar cheese. I might just go ahead and use this whole batch that's about 2 cups, or I might use half of this and shred up a cup of this. I've done it both ways before, so it's really just kind of preference. I like the bite that the white cheddar kind of gives the recipe, if you will, but for time and like purposes, I might just go ahead and throw this whole bag in. So we'll see, but basically that is all that you need for this recipe. It is so easy. I'm gonna go ahead and brown up this meat, brown up the onion in my crock pot. This is such a great crock pot. I talk about it all the time over on Instagram. It is made by All Clad, and it actually has multiple settings down here. If my camera will focus, I'm not sure, but basically it has a setting that you can brown, steam, slow cook, and also a rice setting. So right now I just have it preheating on the browning setting, so I can go ahead and cook my meat and my onion all in here and then throw everything in here to slow cook for a couple of hours. So it's kind of like a one pot deal. It's all right here and I don't need to dirty up another pan. So let's go ahead and get everything thrown into the crock pot. So this is about 3 hours in. I told you guys it did not take very long to cook at all. It's just really warming up. So I'm gonna put this in some bowls with some cheddar cheese and some green onions on top. And then I typically serve it with some nice soft like Italian bread or sourdough bread, and dinner is done. I hope this recipe was helpful for you guys. It's really, really easy. Like I said earlier, I'll have the blog post down below for the actual recipe. And if you like these types of videos and you want to see more Slow Cooker Sunday, please let me know in the comments below and give this video a like. I'll see you next week.